So here we are for continuing on with Symmetry and Area Part 3. And for your assessment, you also have to do, let me get a color here, get red. You also have to do number 14, and you have to do number 16. So we're going to do number 14 and 16, but I am going to change the numbers so that you can see how the problem is worked. But I'm not actually going to do the problem for you. So I'm going to change this to 1. I'm going to change this to 1. And I'm going to change this to 2 right here. That's going to be a 2. And I'm going to change this to 2. Now when you work the problem, you're going to use the numbers that they give you. But for the example that I'm doing, I'm going to use my own numbers, which are 1s and 2s. Now, and the interesting thing about this this figure, look at it. Really, what do you have here? You have a triangle. Let me get a different color. You have this triangle right here that I'm going to outline in blue. But you also have that same exact triangle over and over and over again in this figure. It's there, but it's also here. Right? Same triangle. And it's also here. Same triangle. And it's also here. You have that triangle 4 times in that figure. The same triangle. So really, what's cool about this figure, is I only need to find the area of that triangle. That's it. I just got to find the area of that triangle, and then I need to multiply it by 4, because there's 4 of them in that figure. So I know that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. All right? And because this is a right triangle, I can see that it's a right triangle. I know that the base is right there. That's 1. The base is 1, so 1/2 times the base, which is 1. And I know that the height is from here, which is 1, to here, which is 2 more. So 1 plus 2 is 3. So I know that my height is 3. So times here. So in my formula, area equals base times height, 1 times 3. And that I end up with 1/2 times 3, which equals 1.5. So that's the area of just one triangle, this triangle right here. That's just the area of that triangle. Now I have to multiply that times 4, if you remember, because I actually have 4 of those triangles in there. So I'm going to multiply this by 4, carry my 2, 4 times that is 260, and then 6. So the area for this figure here is 6 units squared. That is the area for my example problem number 14. Now you're going to work this problem again, but you're going to work it with the numbers that they give you. So you're going to come up with a different answer. But just remember, all you're doing is finding the area for this one triangle right here. And then once you find that area, you're going to multiply it by 4 because you have 4 of the same triangle in that figure. And once you've taken the area of the one triangle here and you've multiplied it by 4 times 4, then you get this, and that's your answer. Okay? I'm going to record the next video for number 16.